Is it recording?
Let's see.
Yeah, you're going.
Alright, this is Duncan Fisher here, aka the Duncan Air, and I'm here to try the Heat Challenge at Quaker Steak. It's my first time being at Quaker Steak. These are supposed to be really good. I believe these are 500 Scoville units, but they said they don't really know. I'm really good with hot wings, peppers, and whatnot, so we're going to give this a go, okay?
No, you don't say something at once, you can't stop. You want to savor that bit.
Got a kick to it.
Come on. Wait for it.
I'm waiting for it.
Wait for the kick. There ain't no kick yet. This thing's already shaking.
It's shaking. Great flavor to them, by the way. They kind of have a Carolina Reaper taste to them. Damn it.
Right.
Yeah, whatever. These are really good.
Yeah, we got a burn, baby.
My mouth feels like it's on fire.
Well, it's not. You know.
People behind the camera are making fun of me. Ooh, I'm shaking.
No. Need some sauce.
Really good. I think I'm handling it like a champ. I already feel it burning. My ears are burning.
Ringing.
Mouth is on fire. Definitely had worse. But you know, with whatever, you know, wing, whatever we try, you're always gonna feel pain. Just remember when you're doing this stuff, pain is temporary. You can't let it control you. You gotta dominate it. That's my advice for hot stuff.
Dominated, Duncan.
What the hell was that? Wow. What the fuck they put in there with mine? Wow.
Point the camera.
Holy shit.
This man, he doesn't have as hot as wings as I do.
No,
He's freaking out over here.
No. The first one I ate was
Okay, now it's to the point where the burning's kind of going away a little bit. Just for the fact that I've gotten so much of the heat. Now it's getting in there.
keep going.
I have ranch with this, so if I want to use the ranch I could, but I'm also trying to get the actual flavor of it. You know what? I'm going to take a second. Here, I'm going to drink some of this. Usually when you, a lot of times it burns even more, but not too bad.
Number 3.
This is number 3. So far, I think I'm dominating this. Better than I thought, to be honest.
Oh, my eyes burning.
Yeah. Don't try.
Oh, my eyes burning.
Yep.
I didn't touch that.
These are Louisiana.
Yeah.
They fucked up. There you go. Fucking wings are hotter than these.
This video is going to a lot of quietness, no talking. So I think it's time where we can end this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm about to dominate 3 more of these wings. I hope you enjoyed.
Oh no, keep going.
Thank you very much.
Keep going.
I'm running out of space on my phone.
Yeah, that's fine.